I'm Sherilyn, and today we're going to be replacing the upper broil element in the Maytag range. You may need to replace this upper broil element if your upper oven is not heating properly when set to broil. This repair should only take about 10 to 15 minutes. For this repair, we're only going to need 2 tools, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a flathead screwdriver. If you don't already have a new broil element, they are available for purchase on our website. Before repairing any appliance, always make sure it is completely disconnected from its power source. We will be working in the back of the range, so once you have access to that, we are looking to remove the lower back panel. We'll start by removing the trim in between the top back panel and the lower one. We have 1/4-inch nuts, so take your 1/4-inch nut driver to remove these. Careful of the sharp edges. And then we can remove the remaining bolts around the bottom and edges. Now we can remove the back panel. Just tip it back and lift it up. You may have to wiggle it loose a little bit, but then set it to the side. The upper broil element terminals are located right up here. We can disconnect this wiring. If you need help disconnecting them, you can also use a flathead screwdriver to help pry those off. We'll start by removing the upper oven door. So open the door. Each hinge has a little metal tab that we need to flip back on both sides. Once those are flipped up, close the door until you feel the resistance. Take a grip on the door, pull up and out, and we can set it to the side. We'll remove the oven rack to get it out of the way, and it'll just pull straight out. There are 4 1/4-inch nuts holding in the upper broil element. We'll just need to remove those. Once you've unmounted the broil element, you can pull it forward and we can replace it with a new one. Reinstall the screws. Replace the oven rack. Goes in at an angle. Slides in. And we can replace the door. We're going to place the hinges into the slots. Open the door all the way. Flip the metal tabs forward to lock it into place. We can shut the door. We can reconnect the wiring at the back. Blue on the right, orange on the left. And now we can replace the back panel. And start by lining up the bottom section and lining up those holes. Make sure not to pinch any wires. Line up the top holes. And then finally replace the trim. That wasn't too hard, right? Here's a quick recap. All of our OEM parts and tools are available for purchase on our website. Check them out and let us know what you think on these social media sites.